Well, another day in the yard. They got another one. Got ourselves a, I believe, a 1979 Lincoln Continental Town Car. She's winking at me. No, I just put that there. I found me another snap-on. Exactly like the one I found at the wrench apart in Austin. This was a little more beat up, but exactly like the other one. Actually, I found this one, an 81 280ZX. I'll make a video on that car. Yeah, this car is rough. She is rough. Some people taking some parts off of her though. Look at this thing. How long that thing is. Ooh, boy. Last of the big bodies, man. Or the real big bodies. The land yachts. The half top, I want to say. It's a little more than a half of a top on that vinyl. Of course, it did its damage. I think somebody took that. As you can see, there's part of the dash. There's the actual pad. There's the VIN. I'm not sure how long it's been off the road, but I'd say 30 years. At least a quarter of a century. 25. Yeah, they did that here. And I tell you, Lincolns are hard to get into, boy, from the back like that. They are. Yeah, that vinyl top did its damage. Only one of the wheels is still there. Right there, turbine wheels. Sure wish that. Every time I find a good one of these in the yard, man, I just take it. Typically, the most they charge is like $5 for them. You know, that one's all tore up though. Skirts. Is that a little skirt on it? Kind of looks like it. Guess this side is a little bit better. That front end. Up looks decent. That grill don't look too bad either. Hood's straight, but it has got some surface rust. Windshield looks like it's in good shape. I think all the glass is good on this car. Interior, they took the switch there for the windows and locks and the seats. Check that out, man. Like, oh yeah, we got some, just rusty underneath. Oops, there goes my hat. Couldn't find any paperwork, man. Not much of anything. Just an old parking violation. Got your dream catcher there. I don't know how much the mileage on there. I want to say it's from that sticker, probably at least from the earliest would be the 90s. Could be even the 80s. Headliner's ripped, sagging. They did a number on that dash for that. They wanted that cluster, I guess. Took all the freaking switches, didn't they? Yes, they did. Yeah. I know the Google man's gonna ask, but I looked on that sticker, man, on the door, but it's can't see much of anything. See, you can't see much. Well, maybe on the bottom you can a little bit, right there. Actually, I think it's back on the right here. What's left of it, anyways, it's disintegrating. That's, you can't make much out of that. That's, you know, that build sheet is done. Take a quick look underneath the hood. Pretty much it's all there. But, come on now. Oh, dang it. Hinges are actually decent. It was this deal here that was the bitch. 2-barrel Motorcraft, rebuilt or remanufactured. GM compressor, remanufactured. Hydro boost. Saying we got a 6.6 liter in there, 5.8. There it is. Anyhow, I didn't even know it was here. I was over there looking at the 280Z. It's a turbo model. Said it's an 81 if I didn't mention it already. And I noticed the hood was up on this. Ooh, look at that. That looks like an old car's hood. So, there she is, people. Ain't much else to say about her. Rough old car. And soon to meet the crusher. Alright, people. On to the next one.